friends, how you doing? My name is Jumi if you're new here. In today's video, I want to take you along as I get ready for my next section. My nursing school program goes by every 8 weeks. I just finished 8-week section in 2 days ago. So I'm about to be ready for another 8-week section, which is starting tomorrow. I need to reset everything and I need to get ready for this new section. I do not have a lot of break in between, at least for now. One of the things that I do is to get my studying area clean up, like organized. When everything is everywhere, it tends to make my head go everywhere. I am less focused. The first thing I'm gonna do is to clean where I study. Right now, everything is everywhere. It's pretty much cluttered. I am going to carry you along as I organize myself and get ready for this new section, okay? So let's go.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here undone. But I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Let the sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Let the sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet
Now that the cleaning is done, we're moving on into clearing my display board. As you can see, I love sticky notes. I love to write stuff down because literally that's the only way I can actually not miss stuff. I feel comfortable writing it, using my planner, using my calendar. have this dry erase marker and permanent marker. I'm going to use the dry erase marker for the schedule on the dry erase board, and I'm going to use the permanent marker on this table calendar. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'm not sure if you can see it. If you can see it. Okay, let me see if I can show you. Since we're doing November, on this one, I'm going to write my clinical date, my class, what time the class is on this calendar. This is a weekly schedule that I can glance just in case, and I can see what's going on that week. It's not as pretty as I would like it because I'm trying to carry the camera while I do the schedule. I have no idea whichever way to write it. 1300 to 1600. That's class. Wednesday is clinical, and it's from 07 to 1900. On Thursday, I have class again, which is 1300 to 1600. And that's how I do that. What I do is to put it right here, and I can see that like so. So every time I look at that, I see my schedule for the week. And then if I want to see my detailed schedule, I will look into this calendar right there. The next thing I do is to now go into my planner and put everything that school that I have going on, appointments, my kids' appointments, and all sort of things in here. That way I have everything and I can carry this one in my bag. Just if you're wondering, this planner is a rec-made. All I did is to get a cover from Etsy, and it has a bookmark. I love it, and this one have my name. If you want the link to everything that I have here, I will link it below. I have other sticky note that I use day to day. So this one is a noteworthy. It's actually made by Post-it. If I'm doing stuff that is outside of my school note and I'm on my desk, I will write it here and just take it out and throw it in the trash. And this one is what I got going on like in the morning. Let's see. So I have AM. I'm not sure if it can focus. There's AM there and there's PM there. So if I have anything that on that day that just needs to be done, I put it here. Not everything that goes in this too at school. It's just got something like if I need to study in the morning, whatever I got to do in the morning, I put it right there. In here, if you watch my last video, I told you that you should plan your studying. This is where I plan my study at, including everything else. So if you want to see how I do that, please leave a comment below on this video, and then I will do a detailed video. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to this channel. I'm not sure if you want me to talk about my hair. My channel, I really do not want to just focus on here. I want to focus on everything that is going on in my life, so that I want to share with you. So without much ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.